Hey, good morning. Welcome to the JeepSolid Garage. I'm super excited about today. It is the best time of year. It is time for the doors and hardtop to come off the Jeep, and we're going to be reviewing a couple of MasterTop's Bimini tops. We've got a solid fabric top and a mesh top. We're going to be looking at the advantages and disadvantages of each one to maybe help you guys decide which is best for you. So let's get started. And these tops were given to me by MasterTop for this review and installation video. MasterTop is known for their high quality, made in North America. You really do get what you pay for. If you go with some off-brand, it's gonna degrade a lot quicker, break down. It's not gonna last you near as long. This is a multi-layer solid fabric. Let's take a quick look at the mesh. And both of these are Bimini Top Gold series from MasterTop. It fits the YJ, TJ, JK, JL. They've got everything you need for whatever Jeep you have. And I'm under no obligation by MasterTop to give these a positive review, but when I do find a product that I like, I'm happy to share that with you guys. So let's get to the fun part and install these guys. All right, let's throw this mesh Bimini top on the Jeep real quick. That's one nice thing about this, it goes on super easy. It'll provide some nice sun protection, which you definitely need, especially when you have weather like this. So let's throw this on, take it for a quick test drive, and we'll talk about some of the advantages of the mesh top. And there it is. Just one little snap right in the middle on the front support, and secure all the straps on the sides, tuck the leftover in somewhere, and you're ready to go. So a couple really nice things about the mesh top is, like the instructions say, it gives you that real open air feeling, provides just enough shade, so keep you out of that hot sun. Another thing I really like about the Bimini top here, this mesh top, is it took me 5 minutes to put it on, so super quick and easy. So if you need just a little bit of sun protection, this is the way to go. This is the Bimini top. The Bimini Top Plus, they don't make it for the YJ, but all the other Jeeps out there, they make a Bimini Top Plus. It extends a little bit farther back to provide shade for your passengers, which is really nice as well. So I have to say, I really do like this mesh top. It is super nice to have that open air feeling, just a little bit of shade. So happy with that, but let's head back, put on the Bimini Top Plus, the solid fabric, vinyl fabric, and we'll check out the advantages of that. All right, now let's install this Bimini Top Plus. This is a multi-layered solid fabric, pretty thick stuff. And honestly, this is the one I run most summer long. No knocks against that mesh top. That mesh top is actually really cool, letting the sun in, providing just enough shade. But honestly, this is the one I run most summer long. Let's install it and I'll tell you why. So first I need to install this windshield channel along the front here. If you don't have one of these windshield channels, you can order one from MasterTop. They sell them separately, so let's pop this on real quick. Now with that windshield channel in place, I can lay this over the top. And I typically start out by tucking the front rail in. And by doing that front rail first, at least the way I do it, just helps me get it centered left and right. So now I can go along and do all the straps. There we go, a few straps, couple Velcro straps along the side, the center strap up to the front windshield, and we're done. So this one took me, what, 15 minutes if that other one took me 5. Now this is the Bimini Top Plus, the solid fabric, obviously, and a few reasons so why I run it all summer long. I'll actually run this top gosh, May, June, July, August, September. And the thing I really like about it, as the instructions say, it provides like minimal protection from the elements. So we get a couple rainstorms throughout the summer, and if there's a little drizzle, a little bit of rain, with this top on, it doesn't really bother me. I can just even leave the Jeep outside. It'll get a little wet, but it's okay, it'll dry out. One funny story, one time my daughter and I, we got caught in a torrential downpour in this Jeep with the top on just like this. And yeah, we were getting wet. It was blowing in from the sides. It was coming down in buckets, but honestly, it was a good memory. It was fun. People were looking at us, pointing, and we're waving like, yep, we're out here with the doors off our Jeep, having fun. It was a great time. And the Bimini Top Plus, as you can see, it extends over the back seats there to provide shade for the passengers as well. So my preference, I like the Bimini Top Plus because I want my passengers to have that shade. As you saw earlier, sometimes the weather where I'm at here gets really hot. That is fun. So the solid Bimini Top Plus gives you full sun protection and a little bit of protection from the elements, or the more open air feeling of the mesh top. I hope this video helped you guys decide which top is best for you. Be sure to check out MasterTop's website, linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, have a good day. Check out my next video right here. This is gonna be a long one.